everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my subscribers. Sorry I've been away for a little while. I was in the process of moving, so I know that takes up a lot of time, but I'm glad to be back. So today I want to work on some junk journal storage solutions. So let's get started. So I have been visiting the Dollar Tree and I've been purchasing different storage solutions to try to clean up the clutter. So this is a pencil holder that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I could leave it as is, but I want to transform it into something that is a little bit more in alignment with my taste. So here goes. I've used some oil, cooking oil, to get the remainder of the label off, along with some of the glue. When I peeled it, it didn't come off cleanly, so the oil is helping to remove the remainder of the label, as well as get rid of the glue. So I'm going to soap this up and rinse it off with some water, and then I'll get to the next step. Okay, see you soon. So next I'm just giving it a little bit of a sanding. So I'm wiping off any residue from the sanding that I did. Next, I'm adding a layer of bonding primer, and you don't have to use the kind that I've purchased. So I've already begun doing some painting that on. So I glued the digital on one side, and now I need to glue on the other, and I use the Mod Podge mat to glue things down. Oops, got a little too much there. Just gonna take some of that off and get that down. So this last piece here, I'm going to glue that down and have that tuck in here, and then I'll need to take a scissor and rest it along the pencil holder and trim around. And for any raggedy edges, I'll just take a sanding block. Okay, so for now, I'm going to get this glued down. So I have this covered now, and I'm not worried about this inside part here because that's all going to get covered up, but it's coming along to where I'd like it to be. So I'm going to just let things dry, and then I'll continue building, adding things to the pencil holder. All right. Okay, so the next thing I did was I used the Home Decor, it's Folk Art Home Decor chalk paint, and this is the sheepskin color. And the parts that were white, I gave them a coat of that paint, and once that was dry, I used several coats of the, at least 2 coats of the Mod Podge Glossy. Now, what am I using this for? So, to get myself a little bit more organized, I am using this for my distress brushes. So let me see if I can pull that up a little bit more. So I'm putting my distress brushes in here so I can find them when I'm looking for them. And then my little junk journal pokey tool is also going in there. So here's my little pencil storage tower that I have turned into a distress brush holder. And here's what that looks like on the side and from this angle and the back. Things might start falling out if I lean too forward. So that is my little mini storage project for today to keep us organized. All right, take care everybody. See ya. Okay everyone, if you like this video, please share, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.